Maintaining good habits can be tough, but it's essential for achieving your goals and living a happy and healthy life. In this video, we will go over 8 tips and tricks for sticking to your habits, no matter how challenging they may seem. This is Mustafa Saadi, and in this video, we will talk about how to maintain a good habit in 8 tips. So let's start the video. The first tip is talking about start small. Begin with small and manageable steps and gradually build up to larger ones. For example, if you want to start exercising, begin by doing a few minutes of light cardio each day and gradually increase the duration and intensity over time. The second tip is about setting specific goals. Clearly define what you want to accomplish and set specific and measurable goals to track your progress. For example, if you want to improve your diet, set a goal to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables each day and track your progress with a good diary. The third tip is about creating a plan. Identify the steps you need to take to achieve your goals and create a plan of action. For example, if you want to improve your sleep habits, create a plan to go to the bed and wake up at the same time each day. Avoid caffeine and screens for at least an hour before bedtime and create a relaxing evening routine. The fourth tip is about finding accountability. Find someone who can hold you accountable for your progress, whether it's a friend, family member, or a coach. For example, if you want to quit smoking, find a support group or a friend who will hold you accountable for your progress and check in with you regularly. The fifth tip is about tracking your progress. Keep a record of your progress and celebrate your successes along the way. For example, if you want to improve your time management, use a calendar or a to-do list to track your progress and make sure you are staying on schedule. The sixth is being consistent. Stick to your plan and make sure to practice your habit regularly. For example, if you want to learn a new language, make sure to practice regularly, whether it's by taking a class, using an app, or speaking with native speakers. The difference is being patient. Building a new habit takes time. So be patient and don't get discouraged if you slip up. For example, if you are trying to develop a meditation habit, don't get discouraged if you find it difficult to quit your mind at first. Remember, the meditation is a skill, takes time and practice to develop. The eighth and the last tip with us is about reflecting and adjusting on your progress as needed. Reflecting on your progress and make adjustments to it or to your plan as needed if you want to keep yourself on track. For example, if you want to increase your productivity, reflect on how you spend your time and make adjustments to your schedule as needed. Identify the activities that distract you and try to eliminate them. This is simply. The conclusion is maintaining a good habit can be challenging, but it's important for overall well-being. So make sure to apply these tips, short tips, to keep your habits on track. First, set clear and specific goals. Start by setting a clear and specific goal for your habits. This will give you a clear target to work towards and make it easier to track your progress. So you need, second, to make a plan. Once you have a goal in your mind, make a plan for how we'll achieve it. Break your goal into smaller and manageable and measurable steps and set deadlines for each step. The third one is about creating a routine. Creating a routine for your habit can help make it regular part of your day. Try to do at the same time each day and make it a non-negotiable part of your schedule. The first one is about holding yourself accountable. Hold yourself accountable for your progress. Keep a journal or a log of your progress and track your successes and challenges. Reflect on what worked and what didn't, and make some adjustments if you need. The fifth one and the last one here is rewarding yourself. Simply celebrate your successes along the way. Reward yourself for small wins and milestones. It will help keep you motivated somehow. Okay, remember, habits takes time to form and it's okay to slip up occasionally. The important thing is to keep trying and stay committed to your goals. Have a support system of friends or a family who can encourage you, hold you account and help you to stay motivated. By following these tips, you can maintain a good habit and improve your overall well-being. We arrived to the end of our video. As we mentioned, the 8 tips for you to how to give you the guide to how maintain a good habit in your daily life routine. I hope that I was so easy to show you these 8 tips. Till I see you in another video or a podcast, please stay safe and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get updated about any new video we post or in the future. So goodbye.